Hey, so we know that natural gas is in the same category as oil and that it is also a fossil fuel. So why is it different? It is used to heat our homes and cook our food, and depending on our diet, we may be producing a bit of it ourselves. But the stuff coming out of our stove is a very important material in current society, with a story similar to oil's. Like oil, natural gas did not come from dinosaurs. It came from the same ancient microscopic organisms, algae, plankton, and tiny sea creatures that lived hundreds of millions of years ago, died, sank to the bottom of ancient oceans and lakes, and got buried under layers of sediment. Over millions of years, heat and pressure cooked that organic material down into hydrocarbons, hydrogen and carbon molecules. Oil forms at moderate temperatures in what geologists call the oil window. But push that material deeper, pile more rock on top of it, crank up the heat, and what we then get is gas. Natural gas is essentially what happens when oil cooks too long. It is the well-done version. And it is not that it took any longer, the earth just ran the oven hotter. The main ingredient is methane, the simplest gas molecule there is. But natural gas, as it comes out of the ground, is generally not pure methane. Other gases come along for the ride, such as propane, butane, and ethane, that get separated out and used for other purposes, like the way propane is used in our backyard grill. For most of history that we drilled for oil, natural gas was considered a nuisance. When oil drillers struck gas instead of oil, they literally burned it off and moved on. That practice still happens in oil fields around the world, and we can see it from the infrared heat signatures and light at night from special sensors we have up in space. It took a long time and much improvement to the infrastructure and technology before natural gas became organized, making it the global industry it is today. Today, it is the second most used energy source on the planet after oil. It burns cleaner than coal and oil, producing significantly less carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that greatly harms our environment. That has made it the so-called transition fuel, the thing many countries leaned on while trying to move away from coal, but not quite ready to get to renewable energies. Whether that is a smart bridge or just a convenient delay is up for debate. Current estimates put proven global reserves at roughly 200 years at the current consumption rates, significantly more than the oil estimates. But natural gas consumption is increasing as new reserves are being discovered, including massive ocean deposits and unconventional sources unlocked by fracking. So the honest answer is nobody knows how much more we have that will be available on Earth. What we do know is that unlike oil, natural gas can also be produced renewably. Biogas, methane captured from decomposing organic waste, landfills, and yes, even cow manure, is chemically identical to fossilized natural gas. So the molecule itself has a future, even after the fossil version runs out. And that's a real thing. That's all I got for you today. just this nugget along the way.